If you're an aspiring entrepreneur, then you need to check out the OLSP system. It's your gateway to financial freedom. The OLSP system is your ticket to generating significant income online, without needing to be a tech whiz or marketing guru. Imagine an automated sales system that handles everything from lead generation to closing sales. You get comprehensive training, step-by-step guidance, and a supportive community to cheer you on. But wait, there's more. OLSP's pre-built sales funnels are optimized for high conversions, and you gain access to top-tier tools, usually reserved for seasoned marketers. And it's all yours, at zero cost to start. Plus, you can earn multiple streams of income through affiliate marketing, helping others discover this amazing platform while padding your own wallet. With OLSP's global reach and scalable passive income potential, the sky is the limit. Don't miss out. Open your free account today and take the first step towards financial freedom. Remember, no risk and everything to gain. Join the OLSP community now and start living the life you've always dreamed of.